Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
GE Appliances garage-ready freezers are tested and approved to keep food frozen, even in extreme outside temperatures. When it's cold, the compressor will continue to start up reliably to keep the temperature inside the freezer right where you set it. When it's hot, the compressor has the capacity to run often and for extended times. So no matter what it's like outside, the food inside will stay safely frozen.
The Magic Chef 6.9 cubic foot compact chest freezer is the perfect solution when that extra valuable freezer space is needed. A flush back and recessed handle create a space-saving design, making it the perfect addition for basements, rec rooms, and small space living, while the interior is spacious enough to accommodate a variety of items, from homemade meals and leftovers to spare ice, and all of your favorite items in between. The storage basket provides organized access to your favorite items. An easy-to-operate dial lets you control the temperature with a simple turn. The manual defrost function and water drain help conveniently expel water, allowing for simplified maintenance and care. The front panel indicator light alerts you when the unit is running or if there is no power source, ensuring you always know the status of food inventory. So stop relying on fast food meals and running to the grocery store every week. With the Magic Chef 6.9 cubic foot chest freezer, you can stay stocked, organized, and prepared to enjoy life's simple pleasures.